First, the new platform, Enterprise A2019, is the only RPA platform that is fully web-based. You can log in. It's simple. You log in, you automate, you run. There is nothing to install. It is truly inspired in so many ways. Take a look. It has a fresh, clean, consumer-like user interface. It is unmatched in this category. And for a business user, they will experience a new level of usability altogether. And if you are a developer, you will see the power of this platform that is incredible. You simply log into the browser, start, drop, drag, click, and your automation is ready. Yeah? There is no other provider who provides at this level of sophistication. This is extremely powerful. Because think about it, in your organization today, if you have an RPA platform and you want to invite 50 people, 500 people, and some of you have invited 5,000 people to join RPA transformation, now you can do it by sending a link, just a link. 5,000 people, if you send a link, 5,000 people in the next 6 hours can start their RPA journey. Try and install software on 5,000 machines and tell me when you're done. Big difference. Yeah? It is removing friction from the entire adoption.